Hey everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change your interest on Tango. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Tango application. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on your displayed name. Tap on the pencil icon at the top right corner of your screen. At the bottom of your screen, you'll be able to find interest option. Tap on it. Now change your interest. Once you're done, tap on the set button at the bottom of your screen. Then tap on the tick icon at the top right corner of your screen. And this is how you can change your interest on Tango. Thanks for watching Tech My Life. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you're new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.